In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing a document for distribution or simply making edits, knowing how to efficiently find and replace text can save you a great deal of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat DC and open the PDF that you want to edit. Once you have your document open, it's time to navigate to the Tools menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but what you're looking for is the Edit PDF feature. Select it to move forward. With the Edit PDF tool activated, it's time to locate text that you need to change. Adobe Acrobat makes this process easier with a simple shortcut. By pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard, you'll open the search box, allowing you to quickly find the text you're looking for. This is particularly helpful in lengthy documents where scrolling manually would be inefficient. Now, type the text you want to find into the search box. Acrobat will immediately highlight instances of this text throughout your document, making it much simpler to identify where changes need to be made. Navigate through these instances until you land upon the specific piece of text you want to edit. Once you've located the text you need to replace, simply select it. At this point, you have the power to make your changes. Start by deleting the existing text. With it removed, you can now type in the new text you wish to substitute. This straightforward action restores clarity to your document, ensuring it correctly conveys your message. Having made the necessary replacements, it's crucial to save your work. Navigate up to the File menu and click Save to ensure your changes are preserved. This way, you won't lose any of the edits you've just made. These simple yet effective steps free you from the repetitive task of searching and replacing text manually. Understanding this process also helps maintain your document's integrity, ensuring the final version is both polished and professional. Remember, preparation is key. And now you're equipped with the skills to make quick edits in Adobe Acrobat. If you encounter any challenges, Adobe support resources are at your disposal, providing further guidance as needed. In today's fast-paced digital world, mastering such skills can significantly enhance your efficiency and productivity. With practice, you'll find yourself navigating Acrobat with ease, making it a valuable tool in your document editing toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide both informative and helpful.